classes. So today we are going to learn Java programming basics. So in this session, I will give the brief introduction about the Java and what is Java and how it is helpful, why we are using Java. Okay, first of all, my first question is what is Java? What is Java? So what is Java means? Java is a programming language. What is Java? First point. Java is a programming language. It is one of the best programming language. So Java is a programming language. And next, so when it was created, when it was introduced, Java was introduced in the year 1995. It is introduced in the year 1995. At the same time, who is the owner for the Java? Oracle. Okay, Oracle organization is the owner for the Java. Okay, so who introduced Java? Oracle organization. And next point is how many users are there for Java? So how many devices are running on Java? So around 3 billion devices are running on Java programming. Devices are running on Java programming. Am I clear? So what is Java means? Java is the best programming language. It's one of the programming language and it is introduced in the year 1995. The organization name who introduced this Java? Oracle organization. So around 3 billion devices are running on Java. So then what are the uses? What are the uses of Java? So what are the uses? Coming to the uses, so there are so many uses are there. So some of them are mobile applications. Mobile applications we use Java. Next, desktop applications. Okay, desktop applications and web applications and games and database connection and much more. Okay, so these are the uses of Java. So we use Java for mobile applications, desktop applications, web applications, games, and database connections, and much more there. Okay, and so many applications are there. So why we use Java? So many languages are there, right? So why we use only Java? That is the question. Why? Why Java? Because Java has some features. Those features are here. So the first feature is it is platform independent. It is platform independent. What is meant by platform independent? What is meant by platform independent? A platform independent means it can run on any platform. So suppose Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, or any Raspberry Pi, or any OS. It can run on any OS. So that's the reason we are saying it as a platform independent. And one more thing is there, that is it is very secured and at the same time fast also. Okay, secured, fast, and powerful. Okay, and it is one of the powerful language. Okay, next, the most popular programming language in the world is Java. It is one of the most popularly known language and large demand in current job market also. So it is easy to learn and simple to use. Okay, it is easy to learn and simple to use. At the same time, it is open source and free. It is open source. Anyone can use this. It is an open source. So these are some of the features why we are using Java. Because of these features, we are going to use the Java as our language. Okay, so these are the basic introduction about Java. Now moving to the next step. So just syntax, simple syntax we have to know. So the syntax is very easy. Once you remember, it is very easy. So the program starts with, first we need to know what is class. What is class and what is object? So these two things we have to know first. So in Java, everything is object oriented. Everything is object oriented. What is meant by object oriented? So object is nothing but any real world entity. What is object? Object is nothing but any real world entity. any real world entity. So in the whatever we are writing in Java, that must be in the class and object form only. Okay, everything is object. So that's the reason we will call as oops concept. We have one oops concept. Oops, what is meant by oops? Object oriented programming structure. We will discuss in the later classes. So oops concept. In the oops concept, we are going to discuss what is encapsulation, what is polymorphism, so what is inheritance. So these are all concepts we are going to discuss in the forward classes. Okay, so this comes under oops concept. Okay, so everything with a programming example we will solve this all problems. So as of now we are going to start one sample program, that is we have syntax. Okay, simple syntax with the sample program. Okay, see now the program starts with the program execution starts with the main method. Okay, the main method is required, that will be start the your program execution. Okay, in every program main method will be compulsory. Okay, in every method main method will be compulsory. Just I am writing, see here, public class main. Okay, right, public static void main string arguments system dot out dot println, system dot out dot println, welcome to Java. See now, so this is a basic program. Okay, this is a basic program. If you know this, then it is easy to, I will explain all the things, what is public, what is class. You will know all the things in the later classes, upcoming classes. As of now you simply remember. So in every line of code runs in Java must be inside the class. This is a main condition. So whatever you are writing, that must be inside the class. And in our example we named the class main. Here class name is what? In the example we named the class name as main. Okay, this is our class name. Okay, remember it. Here this is a class name. Class name. So this is a class name. A class should always start with the uppercase first letter. Okay, this is the first letter must be in the uppercase. Class name must be in the uppercase letters. Uppercase. Okay, this main must be starts with the uppercase. Instead of main you can give anything, whatever it may be, whatever the class name. The class name starts with uppercase letters. First letter uppercase. Okay, first letter must be uppercase letter. And one more thing I want to say, that Java is a case sensitive language. Okay, case sensitive in the sense there is a difference between, see now, CATCH catch and CATCH catch, both are different here. So this is capital uppercase letter and this is lowercase letter. These both are different words in the Java. So that's the reason we are saying it as a case sensitive language. Java is a case sensitive language. Okay, right, now the name of the Java file must match with the class name. Okay, the name of the Java file must match with the class name. And at the same time, when saving the file, save it using the class name and add .java. While compiling, we need to save it as .java. Okay, .java. This is a way of we have to compile it, and after compilation we have to execute it, right? So these are the steps we are using in the command prompt. But in the Eclipse we no need to do all these things, no need to compile. Just you can click the right click and run as Java application, then it will run. Okay, so now I'm going to explain the program, right? This program I need to explain. So see now, so here what is this system.out.println? So inside the main method we can use println method to print the line of text on the screen. So this will be print on the our console. What our thing we written in the print statement, this thing will be print on our console. Okay, so system is a built-in Java class that contains useful numbers such as out, and which is a short for output, and the print, this is the println method, short for print line. Okay, short for print line, and it is used to print a value to the screen. It is used to print a value to the screen. Okay, clear? Right. Now, so just as of now, we should try to execute this in the Eclipse. Okay. So what is Eclipse? So Eclipse is an IDE. Eclipse is an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Integrated Integrated Development Environment. So this is IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. This Eclipse helps us to develop our software, develop our code. Okay, so millions of developers use the Eclipse. And at the same time, Eclipse project is originally created by IBM organization in 2001 November. November 2001, IBM organization was initialized. Okay, so the Eclipse project was organized by IBM organization in 2001. As of now, we remember this one. Okay, so Eclipse has a large community support. Okay, it has a large community support also. So it will useful in developing projects and management and ecosystem development and development process and IT infrastructure. So these are all the services done by the Eclipse.